Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover a Wix website to previous versions. Now this is something that can really save you a lot of time, especially if you've made changes to your site and things didn't turn out the way you expected. Maybe you edited your layout, removed a section by accident, or updated something that completely changed the look of your website. Instead of trying to fix everything manually, Wix actually gives you the option to go back and restore an earlier version of your site. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly where to find your site history, how to preview the different saved versions, and how to safely restore the one you want without losing control of your website. So make sure you follow along carefully because this is one of those features that every Wix user should know. First thing we want to do is go to the left side of the screen and hover over the option that says Site and Mobile App, then new options appear which we will choose the one that says Website Overview. Just take a moment to get familiar with how everything is laid out on this page. At first, it might seem a bit crowded, but it becomes easier the more you use it. Most of the key controls for your website are found around here. Alright, now we can move on to the next step. Then what we want to do is go to the top right side of the screen and click the option that says Design Site. Then a new tab opens where we can see our own website. This is where we can design and style our website. It's the main workspace where all the changes happen. Basically, this is where your website comes to life. As you can see, next to the Wix logo at the top left corner, we will see an option that says Site, which we are going to click. Then we go down and click the option that says Site History. Then a permission appears where it asks us to confirm. We will click the option that says Go to Site History. Then a new tab opens. Here you'll notice all the different versions of your site listed, and it's pretty cool to see how your website has changed over time. Even if you're not restoring anything yet, just exploring this area gives you a good sense of how Wix keeps track of everything. Once you've taken a look, we can move on to the next step, which is going to be going to the site version we want. We can find that by dates. Then after finding it, we will click the arrow button, then click Restore. Then it will ask us to confirm. We will confirm by clicking the Restore button. Then it will give us a confirmation message. Then we can either stay there or edit the site. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about recovering your Wix website to a previous version. Remember, having access to your site history can really save you a lot of time and stress if something goes wrong or if you just want to undo a change. Take a moment to explore these features on your own site so you feel more comfortable using them in the future. With a little practice, restoring previous versions will become second nature and you won't have to worry about making mistakes. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.